Alrighty, folks, back in the sweat box again. That's what I named it for right now because it's hot. As you can see, I've gone back over all the paint. Now all I got left to do is to trim. You look in the corners and up at the ceiling. Oop, wrong way. Right there. Got to trim it all in. But it looks pretty decent. I'm probably going to do one more coat. And again, you know, I wrote everything, so I got to trim all this stuff in over here. I'm going to point it out before everybody else does, because I know everybody's going to say, you missed a spot. Well, yeah, I know this. I will get it. Don't you worry, I'll get it. I got my little fan. This thing's really nice. This double fan. Super, I wish I had two. You can get them on Amazon. Ooh, it's starting to cool off though. I'll turn the fan on and open the doors. But you can get that fan on Amazon for, I want to say like $23 or something like that. I can't remember. But I found this one at the truck stop for 18 bucks. So not free 99, but close enough. But actually what we're going to do today, yeah, this is the bed is my workbench right now. One of my Amazon packages come in, and I went to Walmart and got this. Now this is going to be the backsplash right here. And yes, I got paint all over this aluminum, but the good thing about latex paint, it doesn't stick to aluminum. But anywho, I just got to cover all my bases because I know people like to point things out. I know I got paint on it. I understand this. It's going to clean up, trust me. But the reason I didn't paint that, because I got my backsplash. But I did something different. I've done this before. See if I can open this with one hand. I don't look like I can. So anyway, I've done this before. That backsplash stuff you buy. Did I get it? Hang on, folks. I'm mentally challenged when it comes to stuff like this. All right, that backsplash stuff you buy, that's you stick on, that's made to go up there. I mean, it's actually a product that's made for that. I looked on Amazon. Walmart sells it, but they're always out of stock. Always out of stock. Home Depot and Lowe's has it, but the nearest one to me is like 80-something miles. So by the time I buy gas, you know, I can order it online or get it somewhere else. But, so what I did, now I've done this before, it works great. Instead of buying the backsplash, a box of 10, let me back up. A box of 10, I can't remember the exact price. One of y'all can correct me on this if you want, I don't care. But I'm thinking it's like 20 bucks for 10 panels, 10 squares. I could be wrong on that, but I think that's what I paid last time. Or last time I used them. But then a person told me to try something else, and I did, and it works, and I like it. These are vinyl squares or panels, whatever you want to call them, floor tiles. This is a floor tile. A box of 10 at Walmart costs $9.97, so 10 bucks. You know, so I saved $10, and they got tons of patterns to choose from. So let me pause this and get this open and we'll try one. Okay, I got one out. I'm not going to take the back end off or nothing. I'm just going to set it up here. Oh wow, a box of 10. And I'm only going to use 1, 2, 3, because I need a half one to do corner 3. I'm only going to use 4 of them. Hey, what do you think it's going to look like? I think it's going to look good. Because, well, I'm going to clean this up and paint it. I was going to leave it to gray, slick material, you know, to see the reflection, because it'd be easy to clean up. And I still might do it, I don't know, but not real crazy about the gray. That may end up being black. But anywho, the point is, I've got white and black, a whole lot of black here, a whole lot of black. So I picked that. I think it's going to look pretty good, if you ask me. I know you didn't ask me, but if you would have, I would say I think that looks pretty good. So I'm gonna go with that. I'm gonna make that today's project. I'm gonna put them up, and then one of my Amazon packages showed up. See if I can do this one-handed. Hiya! I got a bunch of connectors, you know, to do my wiring for my lights. I'm not going to sit here and name them all, but it's male, female, butt connectors, yada, yada, yada. So that goes in my electrical pile over here. And I forgot my MC4 connectors come in. So I'm good on the solar. All my solar stuff is ready. Just got to get started on it. I'm still waiting on lights. For some reason, there's a shortage on lights. Don't ask me. I don't know. I think it's stupid, but you know, that's what they're saying. You know, on 12-volt RV lights. So I'm still waiting on them. They haven't even shipped yet. But while I was at Walmart getting these, I always swing through the camping section. Oh yeah, I couldn't find my crimper and strippers, so I bought me a set, little cheap set. I got a good set somewhere. I just can't find them. But anywho, while I was at Walmart, I always go through the camping section just to see what they got. And I found these LED cabinet lights. You know, I'll let you read it. I'm not going to read it all, but it says auto timer and motion sensor, built-in lithium battery, includes USB charger. I figured, why not? I'm going to give these a try. They was $10 a piece, or $9.97, you know, but $10. They're probably 12 inches long, maybe 11. Does it say? Yeah, 11 inches. Hey, that's a pretty good guess. Anywho, I got two of them. I'm just going to give them a try. And the reason I got them, if they was just battery, I wouldn't have bought them, but they're rechargeable. So I'm going to put one up and just, you know, see how I like it, see how it works. More than likely, I'm going to put it right here. Like right here on my little stove area. Because this would be a light that I wouldn't, you know, be using all the time. You know, like at nighttime trying to read or tie my shoes or bend over and get my pants on because I'm too fat. You know, I'm going to put one light up here for that. I'm going to use them. Probably one right here in the little stove area up there. And maybe I was thinking, I really don't know. On the drive back home, I was thinking, maybe put one right above my bed just so at nighttime, you know, if I wake up in the middle of the night, do something real quick. I don't know. I really don't even need one there because I'm going to have lights right around. I'm going to have at least one light there. This is coming down. I don't like that. That's coming down. So I'm probably going to have a light right here since there's already a hole and wires there. I'm probably going to have a light right there. But I was thinking one right there, one right here. That should be plenty. As small as this space is, that should be plenty of light. And then I was going to put probably a strip light or something back here. Just, you know, just ambient light, whatever you want to call it. I don't know, but we'll worry about that later. But anyway, let me get one of these open and give her a test. All right, I opened it up. I see something I don't like already. It's all one piece, and the reason I don't like that because it's rechargeable. And if that don't make sense, what I mean is if I stick this up here, like right there, well, how am I going to recharge it unless I got a port, you know, USB port here somewhere? I thought maybe it would just stick the backing up there, and you know, it would come loose from the backing, and you can take it down and recharge it. But I don't see no way you can do that. So that's strike one on it. I mean, I'm still going to use it. I bought it, so I'm still going to use it. Maybe I got a bunch of power banks, battery banks. Maybe I can do that. Just use one of them battery banks to charge it up. We'll see. But anyway, it's got auto, on and auto. You can turn on, or it's got a motion sensor. It'll come on whenever, you know, I guess you get around it or something. But it's pretty bright. It really lights this area up, and I think it's a perfect light for right here. I actually like that. It really lights it up. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put it there. Hang on, folks. I believe I'm gonna go ahead and stick it there. Well, guess what? You don't have to pay a lot. You just gotta pay attention. I was sticking that up there and just noticed something. It's magnetic. Yeah. Alright, so that will work. Stick it there, and I can take it down and charge it. That is awesome. Okay, I'm glad I went ahead and put it up there. So let me make sure that's stuck good. Put this back up here. Booyah! Yeah, that's gonna work good. That's gonna work awesome. Alright. So enough playing with the lights. I'm tempted to put one of these panels up. I think I'm gonna go ahead and stick one up just to see what it looks like. Hang on. Alright, I got the backsplash done. I think that looks pretty good. I mean, you got a picture, everything cleaned up, trimmed in, and paint looked good. Oh, I thought that was dirt. A little thin spot in the paint. I missed a spot. But yeah. And yeah, I have my dirty old hands on it. That'll wipe off. It's vinyl. I think it looks pretty good. Where's my little light at? Little light! Where you at, little light? Let me close this door a little bit. I closed that door to... And while we got the door closed... Oh, I got it on motion so we can try it out. What? That ain't motion. Battery might be low. I had no motion. That's okay. But like I said, I'm gonna put a mirror right here. Because there's enough room. There's like a piece of rubber or velvet trim to keep a air gap there. So there's enough room for a mirror to slide in at that door. That's another project. I think it turned out pretty good. What do you folks think? Again, you got a picture of all this cleaned up, all that paint cleaned up. I'm sloppy. This is how I roll. But yeah, I like it. Huh. I think it looks alright. I don't care. Oh, I messed up. Can anybody guess where I messed up? Darn it. Right here. I used the wrong corner. This and this is a full piece. That and that is a half piece. That and that is a half piece that I split into quarters to finish that gap. Alright, see how I lined the stars up? Got everything lined up. I used the wrong piece. Oh well, we're gonna roll with it. I like it. What do you think about it? Get a little decor, probably a spice rack right here. And I got a friend's got some of them magnetic strips that you can like stick spatulas or knives or whatever on, and it sticks to it. I'm gonna put that right there. I think the sink's gonna go right here, or I might put the sink on this side. I don't know yet, but anyway, my little butane stove right here. Refrigerator down there, which I haven't painted yet. Alright. I think it looks. I gotta open this door, folks. I'm dying. But the only thing I don't like is, you know, I've got everything white. Of course, it's not finished. Let me stress, it ain't finished. I got to trim everything in, get my new handles and all that. But everything's white, and then all this is black. I know I said I was going to leave it all black, but I just don't like that. I'm thinking, y'all let me know if I should do it or not. Since I'm going with the black and white theme, I'm thinking leaving all this black, paint that door white, paint that door white. See how much brighter it is? You couldn't see that door last time. Paint that door white, and not them shells, just the trim. Paint the trim white. And maybe that bottom base to continue that theme. What do you think about that? Or should I do the opposite? Paint everything white, leave the doors black, and leave that trim black. I don't know. We'll worry about that later. Anyway, I don't want this video to get super long. It's hot in here anyway. I'm dying. It's like an oven in here. Woo! I need to get my solar hooked up, get my batteries in so I can start running this roof fan that I cleaned. You see I cleaned it? Remember last time how it was just like solid dirt, like it looked like a chocolate cake? I took it all apart and cleaned it. I got my little double fans going here, but when it's 105 degrees outside and the sun's shining, a little double fan's nice, but it just don't do the job. Anywho, I keep ducking because I was painting the other day and I was afraid I was going to hit it. I can stand up straight. I'm standing up straight now. Let me get my head straight. Cleaning room, but it's just a habit because I was painting earlier. But anyway, I think I'm going to get off here. Don't want this to be super long. Just a quick van build, step van update. I got Russ outside. Let's see if I can see him. Now, he's probably up underneath the van in the shade. It was cloudy when I brought him out. Now the sun's come out and he's probably hot. I gotta get him inside. So, well, hang on. Let's go out there and see him real quick. Yeah, there's old Dusty Rusty. Are you hot, buddy? Huh? Hang on, pal. We're going in. You ain't getting my light. Oh man, your foot's hot. You ready to go in, ain't you? That's kind of a close up there, buddy. You're burning up, ain't you, pal? All right, we're going in. Hang on. All right, I'm gonna end this video right here because my old pup's burning up. I gotta get him back in the air conditioner. He's feeling better today. You know, he's got some medical issues, but oh boy, he's doing pretty good today, ain't you, pal? Huh? You my bub, ain't you? Are you my buddy? All right, guys, I gotta get off here and get my dog inside. Till you see you next time. God bless you.